Hey, congratulations for making this far. In this video, we are going to talk about my favorite boxer, the greatest of all time, and that is Muhammad Ali. So in this video, we are not going to talk about CSS, we are going to talk about boxing. So let's just jump straight to it. Okay, in web design and development, or in HTML specifically, we've got something which is called a box model. So this is not about boxing, it's about the box model. Okay, a box model is just a diagram that shows you how the HTML elements are constructed, or how they are made, or they are arranged. So what does the box model really like assist you with, or it helps you with? Okay, now whenever you put an HTML tag on an HTML page, always think of this box model, not boxing. Always think of this box model. So let's just go back to what we did last time. All these elements, they are constructed, I can say, like this. This is the makeup of all of these elements, even these ones that we see on the screen on Google. This is the makeup of these elements. So it means that any element will have a content, it will have a padding, it will have a border, and it will have the margin. So whenever you put your HTML element, or you are styling your element, you must know that this is some sort of the construction. So okay, so this means that let's take this dotted line as the actual element. This dotted line is the actual element. This means that inside it, right inside it, around it, we've got a padding. So when you want your item, let's say let's check to this arrow. When you want your items, let's say this is the box, the body. So when you want the children of whatever container to move at least inside a little bit, you use a padding so that you can push your elements at least inside a little bit. This is the content, the whatever thing that we have typed here. So when you want to push it inside a little bit, then you use padding. Then when you want to control a space around your element, meaning that we feel like we don't want to be crowded, you wish like people can keep a distance from you. If that thing happens into an HTML element, you want that's the same effect, then you can use a margin. As you can see, this is the margin of this HTML element, the dotted element. And then the dotted line itself, it's a border. So all HTML elements, they have these things. So let's just jump straight into the practical side of it and make some tests. Okay, what we are going to do, we are going to, let me delete some of the things and only leave few things to work with. Okay, and leave only the box and the paragraph. Okay, let's go to the box. So the box model is telling us that this box has a border. It has it. So we can say border. Okay, we can say border 1 pixel. It must be solid. It must be red. Okay, as you can see that we have changed the border. So now this div element, okay, I wonder where are my styles. Okay, let's see. Okay, my styles. Okay, here are my styles. Okay, while we are here, this border feels like, okay, this box feels like this paragraph is crowding it, it's too close to it, so it wants to keep a distance between it and all the other HTML elements. So Can you guess what we can use to accomplish that? We can use margin. As you can see now, all around the box element, which is box 1, the div element, there is a space. So we have just pushed this paragraph 20 pixel away from this box. Now this box feels like also that the content inside it, it's too close to it, so it wants to keep a respectable distance. Okay, now let's work on the padding. Let's make it 20 pixel also. So we have just completed the box model. I hope now you understand what a box model is and also how can you space things around. So we've got the box, we've got the padding, we've got the border, and we've got the margin. That is it for this video. Otherwise, for me, Matthew Singati, the designer and developer, thank you so much, and also thank you so much for hitting that like and subscribe button. See you on the next one.